Kolkata, where October means the biggest festival of the world, Durga Pujo. Today we are out to inspect the preparation, and that is the reason why we are headed to the most popular heritage location of Kolkata, Kumottuli, where the idols of mud, clay, and straw come to life. Stepping into the world of this unique tradition and heritage gives an electrifying experience. These idol makers are the creators of this very essence of the festival. To me, this festival is the biggest celebration of Nari Shakti and power against evil. These hands are shaping up the idols. Adding color to these idols, turn a clay body into the divine force that is driving us through. Kumottuli is one such place where history, heritage, and divinity have seamlessly merged into each other. Durga Pujo is a festival that starts with the Mahalaya and then is worshipped for 7 days: Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, and Dashami. And it all starts with these lanes of Kumottuli. It is not just a single idol of Devi Durga that they make. Lord Ganesh, Lord Kartik, Devi Saraswati, and Devi Lakshmi are all worshipped with Ma Durga as the sons and daughters of Devi Durga. These idols are available in all shapes and sizes in each and every color. We could witness some preparations for the Vishwakarma Puja as well. Drawing the eyes of Devi Durga, which is also known as Chokhudan, is considered as a very special moment and very auspicious. This is considered to be the moment where these idols come to life. This finishing touch is usually given on the Mahalaya morning, but understandably, due to high orders, some of the works are done in advance. Some of these artists have spent more than 40 years of their lifetime into this divine form of work. And everything looks set for the ultimate festival for the city of joy. Talking of traditions and heritage, Tram is one of the heritages of the world which is found only in a few other cities. Inside the Kumottuli area, we found a cafeteria made with this traditional cabin. Visitors enjoying an authentic snack of North Kolkata, cha, shingada and telebhaja. Kolkata is also known for sweets. The varieties that are available over here can be challenging for anybody to find somewhere else in the whole world. Starting from the traditional Sandesh, a lot of chocolate sweets are also available. It was very difficult for us to resist the temptation, and we ordered the all-time favorite Mishti Doi. The lanes of North Kolkata would be considered incomplete without a little street football. And all this is happening on the banks of the divine river Ganga. It was the day of Ganesh Visarjan, and traditionally Ganpati Bappa, being the Mangal Murti, which means the symbol of all the goodness in the world and beyond, is worshipped first, followed by the other gods and goddesses in the later weeks and months of the year. It was now time to bag in some new clothes for all the exciting occasions coming up. You know what is the sweetest part of Durga Puja? Everybody, from the richest to the poorest, is gifted with at least a new cloth at this time of the year. After all this, it was now time for a treat. See you until next time.